In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Ozate Lotteries account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ozatelotteries.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Ozate Lotteries. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You can either log in with your email address or you can also continue with Google if you want. Simply click on the login method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Now after you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, have you forgotten your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Ozate Lotteries account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.